Welcome to Infolisted Media. Jim Carrey has been hailed as one of the leading actors in the comedy genre for a long time now, and he has recently announced his retirement from acting. Now seems like as a good time as any to look back through his best project over the years. Although his filmography has been less dense in the recent years, there was a time when Carrey was one of the Hollywood most demanded and beloved comedy actors. He brought incomparable energy and electricity to every role, which was almost impossible to look away from. Here are the best top 10 movies of the Jim Carrey. Number 10, Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind 2004. Despite being famous for his comedic role, Carrey dramatic turns in a Michael Gondry Eternal Sunshine of Spotless Mind was widely praised by audience and critics alike. He stars alongside Kata Winslet as a heartbroken man named Joel who attempts to remove his ex-girlfriend from his memories. The film screenplay was written by the Charlie Kaufman, so it is no surprise that the story is full of complex twists and turns throughout. It manages to subvert expectation to every turn, allowing the audience to feel expectantly connected to the character and their dynamics. Number 9, Ace Ventura When Nature Calls 1995. Although the Ace Ventura 2 isn't quite as popular for acclaim as the original, it is still seamlessly a fun time that boasted by the memorable and entertaining lead performance from Jim Carrey. He starred as the tutorial detective who specialized in the retrieval of tame and the captive animal. Number 8, How to Grinch Stole Christmas 2000. Ron Howard adaptation of Dr. Seuss' iconic story of full of hilarious quotes and memorable moments that allowed it to stand the test of time as one of the most popular Christmas movie for children. Carrey gives it everything he's got as the Grinch, offering a performance that's unlike anything to attempt before. Number 7, Me, Myself and Irene 2000. Me in Myself and Irene, Jim Carrey actually provide two different performances as two separate characters. His first character, Charlie, is a mild-mannered, hard-working police officer from Rhode Island, but his split personality disorder means that his alter ego Hank often cause of trouble for him. Number 6, Bruce Almighty 2003. In Bruce Almighty, Jim Carrey plays Uncomon Bruce Nolan who makes a deal with God that he distorts but hilarious consequences. Morgan Freeman as the embodiment of the god, and the scenes he shares with the Carrey are so much fun to watch. The only thing could make Jim Carrey more engaging and entertaining to watch is exactly what Bruce Almighty gives to him: superpowers. It is hilarious, one of the kind film that might be completely beyond the realism of reality, but that doesn't seem to matter one bit. Number 5, Dumb and Dumber 1994. When it comes to iconic comedic duos with hilarious banter, Jim Carrey and Jeff Daniels in Dumb and Dumber are pretty difficult to beat. They have so many memorable and iconic scenes together in this film, and their chemistry throughout is some of the best the comedy genre has ever seen. Dumb and Dumber was one of the most prolific and successful comedy in the 90s, and it is one of the best films that's completely short film carries the stardom. It is impossible to imagine any other actor in this lead roles, and it's for the reason that it's become such a cult classic. Number 4, Ace Ventura Pet Detective 1994. Carrey has always gone above and beyond in every single one of his projects, but his performance as the Ace Ventura that really stand out as one of the most outstanding. It is the bizarre and silly film, but one of the most can safely say you are no other quite like this. Courtney Cox also stars in the film, and her relationship with Carrey character is one of the most grounded and compelling aspect of the story. When the narrative threatens to wander far into the unbelievable, Cox's character is always there to make Ventura seems more real and human. Number 3, The Mask 1994. In The Mask, Jim Carrey plays timid bank clerk Stanley Ipkiss who discovers a magical mask that gives him limitless charm and confidence, and they punch at for crime. It gives Carrey a chance to completely make the most out of silly script throughout a character, the constantly unpredictable and surprise. Number 2, Liar Liar 1997. Directed by Tom Scheide's Liar Liar, imagine what would happen if a successful lawyer suddenly lost the ability of intentionally lie. When his son make a wish for his father to tell the truth more, it magically becomes the only thing that can do. Liar Liar is one of those films that draw comedy from the misfortune of its character, which is the most of the entertaining forms of humor to watch. It is also one of the Carrey's most emotional and heartbroken projects, with the relationship between father and son being one of the most film's strongest assets. Number 1, The Truman Show 1998. Without a doubt, The Truman Show is Carey's most innovative and impressive movie to date. Not only does it extremely grounded and dramatic approach of its dystopian movie, but he is also the incredibly astute attention to detail that make the movie endlessly rewatchable. Many cite The Truman Show as Carey's best performance to date, and it's difficult to disagree. Convey a huge range of emotion, and his characters go into the intense and formative journey over the course of the narrative.